Today we're making cream cheese frosting. Come on in, welcome to my home. I hadn't planned on making this recipe simply because it's so easy, but as I was making my carrot cake for Mother's Day, people said, hey, can you also make a really easy cream cheese frosting? So I'm like, sure, why not? I can do this. 3 ingredients, that's all there is to it. I'm going to start off with 8 ounces of cream cheese. Don't forget, all the ingredients are listed down below in the description. This is room temperature, really important. I'm going to lower that down to very slow. Why? Because I don't want to have a mound of powdered sugar going everywhere. Now, this is heavy cream. This is where all the action starts. What you want to do is you want to mix this up. While it's mixing up, then you can keep adding more of your heavy cream. Don't forget to stop and scrape. As you can see, some of the cream cheese is stuck in here. I'm going to mix this on high until it is light and fluffy. Once that is done, let's give it a taste. That is tangy and sweet and so easy. You can make this in seconds. Cream cheese frosting doesn't have to be difficult, doesn't have to have a lot of ingredients. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.